Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going over one reason, that's right, one reason why you should buy the Fire TV Cube. Now I bought this device as soon as Amazon announced it and I've been testing it for the last few months, and frankly there's one thing that it will do for you that will make your life so much easier. One main feature, and that's voice control. This will basically give you full voice control over your TV and all of your inputs, your audio devices, everything, where all you have to do is walk in the room and say, Alexa, turn on the TV. You can say things like raise the volume, switch to cable, you can say play music, you can say play this show on Hulu. Like that's the best thing. It's the main thing that it does. Aside from that, this is just a Fire device that brings you Amazon's full content library of, you know, apps and all your Amazon Prime videos and Netflix and all that. Like basically they just took all the best features of the Fire Stick, the whole interface, and they just added voice control. So this is the one reason why you would want to consider this device. And it's brought a level of convenience to my life that is awesome. I don't have to look for my remote anymore. I just literally walk in the room and I just say, turn on the TV. You know, or I say, you know, say the command, Alexa, turn on the TV. You know, and then I'll say, you know, play The Cosby Show on Hulu, or play Jack Ryan on Amazon Prime, or, you know, play The Office on Netflix. And oop, I've got my Echo Show in this room, so it's picking up every time I say the command. But that's the one thing that it does great. And I almost never have to look for my remote anymore because I can just tell it what I want and it does it, okay? So real quick, I wanted to give you a list of the main cool things you can do with the voice control. So the first one is obviously turn on the TV, turn off the TV, switching inputs. So you can just say, hey, switch to Apple TV, or switch to Chromecast, or switch to satellite, which all that you're gonna set up at the very beginning, and the setup is actually really easy. So that's another, I mean, I'm not really gonna put that in the reason category that it's easy to set up. I'm just gonna say that when you plug it in, it really walks you through how to connect all your devices. All the device is gonna do is read the different HDMI inputs you have on the TV. So if you have cable and HDMI 1, it just asks you what device do you have on that. And then there's a quick process where it links up, where it'll turn it off and have you turn it back on, and then after that it's linked up. So switching the inputs is great. And with switching inputs, you can also, like, you can tell it to switch to satellite or switch to DirecTV, and then you can say tune to channel 5, and then it'll actually switch to that channel. So that's another really cool part about the voice control is it's very detailed, so you can give it very detailed instructions. So once you switch, you can say, you know, turn to channel 5, turn to channel 10. This does get a little tricky when you have a provider that has channels in very weird numbers, like turn to 248. You're also able to say a specific channel, so you could say tune to ABC. And for the most part that works, but that one is a little tricky. So, you know, I didn't use that functionality too much. I would just say the number of the channel and kind of left it there. You can also say raise the volume, lower the volume, or mute the TV. Again, really nice. You're across the room, the TV's too loud, somebody's calling, Alexa, mute the TV, and that's it. So that's about it, guys. Now, I will say this much. There were some things I didn't like about this device as well. And I have another video coming out, and it's going to be 4 reasons why maybe you don't want to get this device. And I'll have that link below in the description once that video is posted. I encourage you to check out that video as well, because while I love the voice control feature, there's some things I don't like about this device, and I want to share that with you as well. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.